Roswell's a great company to ride for. Every year they're coming out with new and innovative products. They're also constantly tinkering and changing with the products that they have in their line to make them better each year. Another great part of riding for Roswell is they really take our input into consideration when they're making new products. We're really involved with the R&D of new products, coming up with ideas for ways to change what they have or do things a little bit differently. Roswell's a great company. They're on the forefront of every new idea in the industry, and they've been a great company, and I'm proud to represent them.